Hi, it's David. Today I'm going to show you the right way how to use your spacer. What we're going to do is get your inhaler. You're going to use this as a device to be able to not have to worry about coordinating when to squeeze, how hard you breathe in, or anything. The spacer will really help with this. So if you get anything from this and it's really helpful for you, maybe talk to your doctor to order one of these for you if you don't have one. So first thing you're going to do is shake up your inhaler, take the cap off, and there's a little hole in the end. All you're going to do is put this in, and it's just a chamber to allow the medication to go in. So I shook up my inhaler, and hopefully you can see when I squeeze this, you'll be able to see the medication going in. Now, there's a little cap here. You don't have to worry. You can open up the cap. There's a valve over here, so you don't have to worry. The medication isn't going to go into the room. It's only going to go in when you breathe in. So you're going to blow out, put this in your mouth and breathe in. I'm going to do it at a normal flow, and then I'm going to do it a little quicker, which I don't want you to do. And the nice thing is this has a little whistle on it. So if you breathe in too quickly, it'll whistle. So we want to slow down the breath. So here's a normal breath. Gently. So that 5 to 10 second hold is really, really important. Now I want you to hear what happens if you try to breathe in too quickly. And that just means that the flow of air is coming in so rapidly that the air and the medications are going to get stuck up here. We don't want that. We want it to get all the way down to the bottom. So you want to wait about 3 to 5 minutes between puffs, so that way you make sure that the medication gets down all the way into your lungs. And then when you're done, you can take this out. You can put your cap back on your inhaler. You can put the cap back on here, and then you're all set for the next usage. Now, for cleaning, you want to be able to wipe the outsides, and if you had to, you could take this apart and you can clean the inside with a little warm soapy water. Make sure you rinse it really well and dry it really well. It's really, really important. But this is the right way to use your spacer. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, give it a like, share with some of your friends. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch this. Have a great day, and if you have any questions, concerns, or anything, leave them in the comments below.